What's up everyone and welcome to you in this daily update on Bitcoin. Hope you're all doing very well as always and hope you had a very nice weekend. We're going to start doing some TAs today on Bitcoin after a very nice weekend, not gonna lie, where we have planned some nice trade on Link. I mean, this was just really crazy again, a very nice weekend on Bitcoin too. I mean, just look at this is just absolutely crazy. We're moving from my target to my target. This is absolutely crazy. This was planned. This target was planned when it was already this move to the upside here, and then a bit before that. This right here was given when it was already on the very top here. Okay, and so I've planned. So yesterday is possible long. We have a second possible one. Again, these ones here are to trade based off the direction. So I mean, yeah, this is just absolutely crazy. So really hope you're enjoying the content, and if you're going to get all of these trades and everything, you just have to join the Discord server. So feel free as always to join the Discord server here. You have all the channel here. You can send some message, ask me some questions, and here you have the golden nugget, if you can say that. You have all my updates for absolutely free. You have everything really. Like me the time, for example, I woke up at 4 a.m. in the morning during the weekend just to let you know that I was reaching my target for a short trade, and so from here we just got this nice push to the downside to go bam finally into my long target, where we got an instant 1% rise from that target. It's just absolutely crazy. So anyway, you want to get such update on the Discord server. And on this being said, we're going to start doing the analysis on Bitcoin. Just gonna pause this as always to say that we are starting, so everyone know we are live. Gonna close this and yeah, don't forget there is a giveaway still running on the website. Just 1 day left. So really, if you didn't took your chance yet, oh my god, I mean, just go and check this out. Really, this is extremely important. You can just get a chance to win a one-to-one session with me, even an MC switcher or one exo transfer for free. Again, you do whatever you want. If you don't want to get a chance, you don't want to get a chance, and you don't check this out. But anyway, so let's start with this. So we are going to go on this bigger time frame chart really. Okay, we're going to update the weekly levels only on this one. So we do have one new weekly here that we already hit, by the way. You look at that, we already got a touch on that, so that's pretty interesting. Look at this. Okay, all right. Yeah, that was the top, right? So this was, I think, a good short trade as we're dropping here. But yeah, personally, again, it was at 4 a.m. so I was clearly sleeping once more at that time. I mean, the thing is, all the moves here will happen at like 4 a.m. Look at that, like 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. You know, on a Sunday. I'm definitely sleeping at that time. Here, that was on the morning. No, that was good, this one. Here again, this again, all of this was at night, so I completely missed all of this price action here. But yeah, a lot of moves are happening at night. That's like a bit, but anyway. So anyway, here we'll have a new weekly again. It's kind of weekly that is very close to the current price action. Is not the best weekly ever. Okay, so personally, I'm not going to keep it on my chart. It's not useful. What you can look for simply, if you want to look at a weekly series, just to look for a swing through part of this size. Okay, this is what I'm going to do personally. So the weekly here, we don't have any. For me, we don't have a weekly here. And we don't have any weekly negative path control too, so now we can go on the lower time frame chart. Okay, raise the day trades on this one, and so we can add all of the new levels if we have some new levels. But it looks like we don't have any new level again. No TPOs, no naked session path control, and no daily negative path control. All right, so it will be very quick today to update the chart. So we have no any. All right, so there is nothing to update on that in that case. Let me see here if we do have some new daily level. Just gonna go on this view and gonna pull this on the right. By the way, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your questions in the chat. And we've got some big shorts opening, by the way. Oh yeah, that was a long time ago, by the way. Oh no, not that long. 9:35. I mean, yeah, 30 minutes ago. Yeah, okay, you got some few shorts there coming in. I mean, few shorts. Some nice amounts. But anyway, so here we don't have any of this day negative path control and stuff like that. So you can. I mean, let me just see here. What is the confidence again with this? So you have one daily, one weekly here. Yeah, I mean, not interested into any of this, to be fair. So what I'm going to do here personally, just to trade a range here until it breaks. Okay, so it's simple at that, really, not gonna lie. All by, of course, getting, I mean, update you on the Discord server and keep you informed on this. But yeah, I mean, this is not more complex, really. You know, I've done yesterday I've done a smaller wave count of this. Okay, so we've got two different configurations for this right here. We'll have more chance to drop and less chance to rise. Now, as always, these days we like to do some less probable moves. So can we rise? Absolutely. And I would say a bit more than usual, because these days we absolutely love to do this. So it's kind of 50-50 if you to be honest with you here at that place. Normally with a wave, with the most probable wave, we'll have more chance to drop, as I said. But if we stay in the rare case and stay with a wave like that, we are going to rise. Okay, so you know, I've done this yesterday. If you want to get some more information, you just have to go and watch at this update, the last update here. You have everything in there really. I'm doing my slower time frame training on this in front of you, so you can really understand how I'm getting my waves, how I understand really the probability of the wave. But to speak about this first configuration here, so wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulsive to the downside, or as always, it can be, if we're having impulsive, an A, B, C zigzag. So we look for another 5 waves down. Do have a 5 waves here. That will be a double wave 1, 2, 1, 2. Otherwise, not really. That's a correction. And the other configuration that is less probable is simply here we'll have a correction, so double the XY. Okay, we just accept these are not 5 ways. And here we have a Y leg truncated, so less probable. Here we have an input, I mean, yeah, that will be a leading with a smaller way of an ending. So again, less probable. This is another rare case. So rare case, that's two rare case. So this is less probable to make this. Okay, so yeah, be aware of this. If we get the rise, then we look for a C, or for a wave impulsive 3 or 5. Okay, or for an ending with a smaller way of a leading. But I mean, stop doing the rare case, please. Yeah, so this is a plan really with the wave, nothing remote one on this, to be fair. Updated everything yesterday. And yeah, so what the process really here on the lower time frame is very simple. So you do have this first possible long trade a bit below if you manage to go more down, if again we get the good data into here. And otherwise what you have to do here just to trade this range until it breaks. So to speak here, if we break below here, we'll have to look for a swing for power reflection of these lows right here. If there is nothing here, we simply have to look for the next target. So to speak here, my target here that got front run, but I mean it's hit really on the order flow. So this target right here, okay, with a swing for power reflection, if there is none, we're simply going to look for bam the daily level with a key level here. That is a low, that was the value low of this full consolidation here. So daily plus a key level. If we start breaking this, be careful with that 38 plan. It can still play out, but I will be a bit careful with that one, to be fair, because there are no real big support. We are below the value low, we are losing really most of the support here, so I will be really careful trying to long here. Now again, this can still give a good scalp. Okay, yeah, and if we start breaking this, then we're definitely going to look for a new low to be made. Okay, and so if we look for a new low to be made, we simply look for, you know, this right here. Okay, we was looking, you know, for this possible bam, get a bounce, reclaim. So we've got this with a nice swing third pan here. By the way, do I have any cap? Always forget to check this. No, we don't. Okay, let's come back here. So we're looking, you know, for this possible trend line retest. So for a long, we had to get a good data for a bounce, and otherwise we just go through, flip to resistance, and in that case that could be a short entry. Okay, so we've got that long. Now that of course take probably one, because we can go more down, as you understood with the waves. Yeah, now you just have to take that trade to profit, set a stop loss and trade, you're good. We just have to let it go. Now the thing is, yeah, we can go more down here. Again, do another flip to support, and again here if we do a flip to resistance, I'm expecting personally to go to 26,300. If we start breaking this, we can look for the triple bottom here with the monthly and the weekly and the monthly path control. Okay, all of this. And if we start breaking this, remember, if we get acceptance below here, okay, we have a single print. So if we get acceptance below this level right here, okay, we have, I mean, you get acceptance into it's like a gap. Okay, when you have a single print, if you get acceptance into the single print, you expect it to be filled, and so bam, you go to the bottom of it, and so you go straight back down here to this zone of support around there. Okay, so from here we'll have to see what is data, but I would say for now we have a lot more chance to take out the lows down to stop from here. Now again, it depends on the data, we're gonna get live in the time, but yeah. Here, swing through pound for auction. If there's nothing, bam, we look for a large drop into this right here. No swing through pound for auction. Bam, we look for the monthly down to the weekly. Again, be careful with these levels. Okay. This was a very quick move up. When you get a very quick move up, you can get a very quick move down. Okay. for example here, get a very quick move up, get a very quick move down, get a very quick move up, get a very quick move down, get a very quick move up, get a very quick move down. Same here, up, down, down, up, down. This is just pretty crazy, right? Up, down again. So really be careful with this. Yes, you do have some very, very strong support here, but get a very quick move up, we can get a very quick move down too. So we can go absolutely through this, just get a nice continuation to the next target. Again here, this is a nice one of support, but yeah, the best way to come back down below that low here for a nice swing through parallel auction, even go with a value low here. That'll be lovely to really take all the stop loss here. And from here we see what we do. Is it more bearish? Is it more bullish? Or do we going to more likely get a continuation? Yes. Okay, we're going to look for a new low to be made. Okay. But yeah, into the upside, simply, I mean, there are no real. I mean, all the resistance here for the lower time frame, really. Okay. As I was saying here with the range break here, so we just made everything to the downside here. Let you know here. Now to the upside, we look for a swing through power fair auction of the top of the channel. Okay, we do have a bit of confluence here, you can see. If we start breaking this with no fair auction or no swing through pan, we're simply going to look for a new high to be made. And so again, we take a high, so we have to look for a swing through pan or a fair auction. Now if there is none, we simply look for a new high to be made. And so here, if we start breaking this high, I'm not going to go and look at the lower time frame levels. I'm just going to switch to this view right here again, and so I'm going to look for this weekly with a 123 extension. If we start breaking this, we'll have more chance to go around this monthly here, monthly power function, sorry, up to the value low. Okay, and we'll have this nice full top right here. I mean, they're not taken yet, so we have a lot of liquidity just above. So really on that one, be aware that we can do a nice swing through pan here. Okay, now again, this one is a very easy target to spot, so because we have some big resistance and we have some highs that are not taken yet, so be aware that we can do some complex level approach on this. Again, you have everything on the website if you want to learn that in the Excel chart section, the level approach. This is how it's named. But yeah, these are my three targets to the upside. I mean, the first one is already hit, so now we can look for another swing through power fair auction of this. But otherwise, two targets above, and yeah, you have all my plan below, really, so you know exactly where and what to expect on every single level. I mean, where to look for a long, where to look for a short. On a lower time frame, you know exactly what to look for, really, where to look for a long, where to look for a short, how to trade this. I mean, simply you just have to trade a range until it breaks, okay, so to speak. Get acceptance, oops, for example here, get a swing through pan, you just have to trade this as a swing through pan. You have again everything on the website for waiting for you. The way I am trading swing through pans, fair auction, just go more down here, spend some time, form something bullish here. Be careful because it can absolutely be a flip to resistance before the drop, so wait for it to be reclaimed, flip to support, or just reclaim with a nice strength to push higher. If that's the case, then it's a long trade until it can be a flip to resistance before the go more down, so be careful trying to be too aggressive. Okay, same to the upside. And yeah, that's it really. Okay, don't forget to take probably one on the middle of the consolidation here, important. You can also pull the volume of this, of all of this really. Bam, you pull all this volume here. We are below the value low, so again, it's not really healthy to be fair to be below that. But yeah, well, yeah. Let me see here's the volume again. Yeah, that's, I mean, this I don't care because we have the middle of the consolidation. This I don't really care, to be fair. Look at how not respected it is. Before, yes, but now no. So yeah, not really good level. But yeah, that one is interesting because we do have the triple top here. I mean, yeah, triple top. We have two tops and taken here, to be fair. So we have these two tops here. I can bring this with a possible swing through pans. For example, if you set, for example, you can set another here. If you're just going to continue the range bound like this for maybe some few days. Bam, this can be a nice short trade, for example. Okay, so you have to be aware of that. Yeah, I will be aware of that top and just check out direction really in the time. There's always also volume level, you don't really care. So yeah, I mean, there is just nothing more to add on this really. Don't forget to join this Discord server. You can get some very crazy, insane TAs. I mean, yeah, this is pretty crazy. You have Solana that is updated, you have Ton that is updated, you have Link, this just played already perfectly. Just look at that really. Here we got nothing, you just get acceptance, just do a quick wick above, you do a quick wick, so you can do the second target from here. Nice, get a nice short trade here, take break one here, now let it run to your lower really. Be careful with the long, we're just gonna fake out the top really. Okay, so I'll be careful. CKB, you've got from our take profit one, you've got the rejection, so that's pretty nice. We're not back, by the way, on the bottom of the consolidation here. So now if we start getting something bullish on the order flow, that can be another entry. But I will be a bit careful because that can be more a triple wave here. So be careful with that one. but we got a perfect take profit here. Magic rejected from the swing third pan, sadly not above here, but again this is valid, to be honest with you. From the bounce, I mean from the Terrier, we've got like another 20% right. I mean this is just absolutely crazy. Like yeah, just how I don't have any words for that. It's just absolutely crazy. And you have everything on the Discord server for absolutely free. So if you want a really good Discord server, you get some very nice TAs, join the Discord server. You have the links are in the description. Yeah, this is just insane, really. But yeah, on this being said, that's it really for me for today. This afternoon I'm maybe going to do some live trading. Again, it depends if it's volatile or not, because I mean if it's range bound like this, I'm not sure we're going to get a lot of interesting trade, to be fair. So maybe we can still, yeah, I'm still going to, I think, do a live stream in any case on the YouTube channel. So it will be, I think, at 2:30. I would say more 2. Yeah, I would say more 2 p.m. So again, UTC plus 2. Okay, you have this here. Yeah, well, I think I will change that to 2 p.m. Because 2:30 will be a bit late. Yeah, that'll be a bit late. Time to explain you the plan, everything. I think 2 p.m. is good. So it will be to 4 p.m. to 4:30. Again, it depends if I start 30 minutes before. I'm gonna end this 30 minutes before, of course. It depends, you know, how long it takes also for the trade to play out. But yes, I'm going to normally, I think, this afternoon to do a live stream. So stay tuned, really. I'm gonna post everything on the Discord server and on the Twitter account. So really join the Discord server. Everything is happening in there. You have all the informations, everything really. So do not hesitate. And yeah, you have some very, very good TAs on that. Same for Sol, for example. Solana, I mean, I gave you all the targets, the waves, everything. We've got a very, very nice ride here with this long trade. We've got this insane push to the upside going to my second target. From here I also gave you some FIP times. I gave you some FIP times before we even go into the second target. And from this, I mean, just look at that. This is just absolutely crazy. Like, this is absolutely insane. Look at this. This is just absolutely crazy. Oh, this is not the right. I don't know why you have some TAs by on this. Yeah, that's weird. Anyway, let's go on this one. So right here, I mean, this is just absolutely crazy. Look at this FIP time here. Just look at that FIP time. Yep, this was the top, and this was given when I was doing this before that, by the way. Right, it was doing this push to the upside. I mean, I gave you the day and almost the time also of this top right here, and this second top right. This is just absolutely. I mean, I hope this blows your mind. This is just crazy. This is absolutely crazy. So if you want, this is absolutely free, waiting for you on the Discord server. I'm posting some stuff like that, and for now, yeah, I'm if I'm mistaken, all the TAs I gave you, you've got something good, except Magic that I mean, the top here we've got a swing third pound. We didn't went into my Terrier, so it's just no trade really. But otherwise, I mean, if I'm mistaken, all the trades and everything I gave you here just played absolutely perfectly. This is just absolutely crazy. Yeah, this is just absolutely insane. So yeah, really go and check out by yourself. Yeah, this is crazy. Anyway, that's it really for me for today. Not a very, very long update today, but yeah, it's not really needed to. There's nothing crazy to update, to be fair. We're just training this really nicely. Same, I mean, this is I just let you know clearly that I was not shorting that top right here. I am not putting my money on this top right here. If I want to get a retest, I want to take a short, I'm going to wait for this. We didn't got that, we went lower. That's fine. We came back later here and we finally got my tariff for a nice short, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I clearly let you know what I'm doing. Of course, this is not a signal group, so I'm not going to let you know when I'm going to take my trade or not. This is not a signal group. You have, this is a crypto trading group, yes, but where you have to learn by yourself. You have to learn trading. You have to. I'm not going to make the decisions for you if you have or not to take the trade. You just have to learn, for example, how to read an order flow. Yups, right there, how to read this, and yeah, that's it really. Okay, you can get you have to know how to read this, and yeah, you will be able to make your own decisions, right? Oh, we've got a lot of people watching this morning. We've got a pick to 50 people, something like this. I don't know if it's a bug or not, but that's weird. Anyway, But welcome to everyone. As always, if you enjoy the content, don't forget to smash that like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. This is how you can support the channel, because everything I'm doing right here is to try to make a really good and friendly community, so we can all learn Elliott wave mainly, but also exocharts now at the same time, the right way, not the wrong way, with everything, the good rules and all this, with the golden nugget of these two TAs. And yeah, so really, if you want to be part of the event and everything, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget if you want to write some comments when you're watching some videos. This happens really a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Anyway, on this being said, I wish you all a brilliant day. Thank you all for watching, and I catch you all this afternoon for some possible live training if we get some volatility. And otherwise, I catch you all tomorrow for the next update. Anyway, have a nice day, take care, and catch you all this afternoon or tomorrow for the next one. Cheers.